Hey guys, today for dinner I'm going to be making some salmon patties. I've never made these before. Haven't had any since I was a little girl. My mom used to make them. But the first thing that I'm going to be doing is flaking the salmon, making sure there's no bones in there. My mom said sometimes there's bones in the can even though they're not supposed to be, so I'm going to be checking that. My ingredients are going to be 1 can of salmon, some garlic salt, dill weed, parsley, paprika, a little Old Bay, green onion, 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, and some lemon juice. And I'm going to be mixing all that together. Got to chop up the onion, crumb up the bread slice. I took the crust off, squeeze the lemon juice and everything. So let me get started on this salmon first. So I've got the salmon deboned and flaked up, and there were several look like spinal cord bones in there that I had to get out. So do make sure you get all those out. I don't know if they're edible or not, but I'm not taking any chances. And I've broken the bread up and the green onion, so I'm just going to put that in there. And with the salmon. And I'm going to put a little bit of dill weed in there. A little bit of paprika. Garlic salt. Mine has parsley in it already, but I'm gonna add a little bit more parsley flakes. And I'm gonna put some of this Old Bay in there. To me, this is not spicy at all, but get a little bit of flavor. And then now I'm going to put some lemon juice in there. My video cut off. I'm squeezing the lemon in there with my lemon squeezer, making sure the seeds don't get in it. I was saying I haven't seen a recipe that had any mayonnaise in there, but I don't know. If it's a little dry, instead of adding more salmon juice, I'd rather add like a teaspoon of mayonnaise or something. So I'm going to get all this stirred up and show you guys what it looks like when I get the patties made. My salmon patties are all made up. The process reminded me a lot of making crab cakes. Or you could probably do this with tuna even. But that's what it reminded me of. And I think the next step is just heating up the olive oil and searing them on both sides. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for my olive oil to heat up, I'll be making my salad. Because it shouldn't take that long just to sear them. I got my salads made here. They've got vine tomatoes, romaine lettuce, purple lettuce, boiled eggs, avocado, feta cheese. I'm going to put Greek salad dressing, but now it's time to put the crab cakes in. Oops. I meant salmon patties. Hopefully they don't fall apart. Like I said, I've never made these before. Just sear them for a few minutes and then turn them over. Just turn them over. They look good from this side. So I'm just going to let them cook a couple more minutes, and then I'm going to set them over here on these paper towels to drain any kind of oil that's on there. Even though it's olive oil, it shouldn't matter too much. But just in case. That one cracked a little bit, but hopefully it won't break in half. They smell good so far. Hope they taste good too. Okay guys, so here I've got my salad, I've got my salmon patty. I've been told you could put honey on them, ketchup on them, tartar sauce, lemon juice, mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, all kinds of stuff. But I'm not gonna put anything on mine. I'm just gonna taste it. Wow, these are much better than I remembered. I'm surprisingly pleased with the flavor profile of this salmon patty. It's actually really good. And of course my salad is good. It's always good. Greek dressing, salad, yum. But salmon patty is good. Thanks for watching.